competencies and excellence in different sectors. You have seen also from the presentation from Julia how many features, how many verticals are available just with the software provided by Axon Software and MDR. When we are facing some larger projects, the competencies and excellences necessary are many more. And this is the reason why we are grouping together, because we need to have a trusted relationship with the companies that are able to carry on the projects in all these aspects. So the project with the Intello Holding has a characteristic to have an innovative and diversified business in its company. The group itself, I will show you later which are the companies, which is the peculiarity of each company in this group, which is the excellence that each company or the group is able to provide to the others in the project. We are working especially in the Middle East and North Africa. And we are also, as a group, managing several investments in Europe, and we are cooperating with companies and partners in Europe as well. What is characterizing the group itself is providing customized technology and services in different industries and private sector. And we are compliant with all the national and international standards, including the local ones as well. So, which is our vision? Our vision is just to lead the market in Middle East, North Africa with a unique strategy, and providing this solution which are some sort of unique in its gender, and satisfy our customers, partners, delivering in time and the project end-to-end. I will show you the company, especially in the security market, which is a very large market, are able to cooperate with each other to take it from end to end with their project. Our value is integrity and trust with our customer. We're going to build a peaceful relationship with the partners and the customer, innovation and excellence. You will also show them, which is innovative in our group. So at the end, we believe that partners, customers can grow up safely and securely with us. Business sectors. We cover it as a group, and again, I will show you how we are differentiated in this market. But as a group, we cover most area of ACT, and especially on security, because we have cyber security, ICT services, digital forensics, technology infrastructure solutions. We are also having application development capability. This is also provided by the developing software house. We also have other companies developing verticals for the market. We have capability in surveillance systems, training and consulting, also capability in training and consulting, which is also part of the project, a part of the relationship with the customer, not just providing the system, the solution itself, but also to train the customer in different aspects of the project. Our industries are government, law enforcement, military, construction, corporates, and healthcare. As we told you, we are not focused only in security, with physical and logical security. We cover also other aspects like PLC, application development. But surely the security we'll see is one of the main topics we are going to cover. The solution approach is quality focus. We respect timing also because we are able in our group to cover all the aspects of the project. It helps us to be ready to provide the project to the customer in the right time. And the approach is to study the people, so to study the perspective from the customer point of view and the perspective of the user point of view to understand which is the real user requirement. And we evaluate the technology on the market. We have some strong partnership with vendors, and one is the Axon Software, with which we are successful on many projects, but we are also investigating every day for new technologies to be used for new projects, and we analyze the data and information available. Now let's see which are the companies of the group. I will show even one by one what we are doing, but we have S&S, which is the company which is providing the installation capability for us, because we have different experiences that you will see. But S&S is the company that is allowing us to go on field and build the real installation, the DLC installation or security installation like CCTV. So it's a partner we can rely on to carry on the physical installation part of each project. We have in the group Cybergroup, which is the company that is providing ICT solution as a wall, as a data center, as we see, and Six Sigma and Logos Networking. Now, and Falconeye, as I told you, is the company that is offering training to have a follow-up also at the beginning of the project to follow the customer with the training. We have many alliances with technology provider. Axon Software is one of our main partners, and we have also others that help us to be able to take the project in all its aspects. So let's start looking at separate companies. I want you just to let you understand as a group what it means being a group, which means that the participation of such companies help us as a group to be more efficient and provide more quality and be on time in our project. So Gulf Cyber is, as I told you, is an ACT solution provider. What they do is they have a list of partners themselves that help them to be competitive in the area of data center, in IT management, and providing all the aspects of information, ICT information, and security solution. Basically, CyberGuard is a partner that can also help you to build from scratch a data center, or to build on scratch a solution or a cloud-based solution. So all the IT aspects that are related with physical or virtual machines and management of such systems are carried on by this company, and it is very helpful in all the projects we are going to carry on. Another company we have in the group is even when I talk about Gulf Cyber security, IT security, especially logical security, is an important part of the picture. But Six Sigma is a more vertical company because they are specialized in some vertical aspects of security, which are in particular the cyber security itself, so to help to defend the company, organization, and public sector to defend from cyber attack. They also have specific competence and tools to provide a solution for forensics search on data, on IT, and also forensics on telecommunications, and also analytics and security, analytic solutions to investigate in the region. Six Sigma, as all our company in the group, is operating especially across the Gulf region. They are experienced in the sector for military, cybercrime, counter-hacking, investigations, and intelligence, data analytics, forensic solutions, and cyber solutions. So this is another component of this puzzle. Cybersecurity also cooperates with law enforcement agency to follow up the investigation, help them also in the real case scenario to identify, to follow up incidents and to find response solutions. I mentioned before to you the company which is SMS. They are providing IP network infrastructure systems. And as I anticipated to you, I'm able to participate to the project providing the installation and the commissioning of the project in all its aspects. When you are doing even in the Sharjah project, the real physical installation, the real deployment, the follow-up is project management and operations by SNS. So if any project which are in the size of a city, if it is a safe city project, if it is a smart city project, or even smaller projects like the enterprise, TLC, security, networking, SNS is a partner to work with, and you will also rely on. This is Logos Networking. It is my company, actually. A few words also on this company. We are, as a company, we come from experience from Italy. We are most of us in Logos Networking, even if we moved here in the Gulf to operate, but come from, most of us are Italians. And we did many projects of TLC, city infrastructure, safe city, smart city in Italy, and now we are moving this kind of experience in the projects that are around the Gulf in the Middle East area. We also work with many vendors like Axonsoft, and we are going to provide innovative and ad hoc solutions for security applications completely also developed in Italy. We operate in a safe city. Sharjah is one example of safe city. What means a safe city? We are working with the CCTV, and this is why Axonsoft is a key partner for us. The solution itself is even like in Sharjah include mobile CCTV, so we are also used to integrate the CCTV part, even automatic narrow thread recognition, and features related with the verticals of CCTV, with the mobile equipment. There can be equipment on trucks, on cars, motorbikes, or simply equipment, hand-on equipment that is taken like mobile phone by the people that are on field. We provide also C3 command and control solutions for end-to-end, including the setup of the control room, the application, and we also have a fleet management solution to control the fleet on field. And we are also providing verticals, video analytics, specialized ad hoc. Even there are some analytics that are not included in commercial software. Axonsoft is anyway a commercial software. We are also building a specific video analytics solution and addressing specific exigencies that the customer may have, like special, to give you some example, some special luggage detection feature, or some kind of specific even traffic violation that has to be detected. We operate also in Smart City. I talked about the Safe City first. Safe City in some sort is a sub-concept inside the Smart City. Smart City is a wider concept, but it's not just security, even if we are most of our time are spending in security, but we are working also on energy control, in network infrastructure for the city, so we are developing microwave deployment to connect all these
devices that are available in the city altogether. We have experience also with the power line communications within the city. Makes sense when you want to integrate, not just to see the security of this device as something that is independent from the city infrastructure. The city has an infrastructure itself. They have the lights, traffic lights, they have street lights, and we can use this infrastructure to build a safe city. So even the communication that is necessary for the CCTV can be carried on using power line communication, using the same infrastructure that we use for the street lights. So we work on safety control and services for citizens. Citizens is maybe something simple like providing Wi-Fi connection to the citizens, or providing additional services, informative plates, controlling the safety of the environment, which is the pollution and in the area, and monitoring all these parameters together in a centralized command center solution. Finally, the group includes Falconite, which is the training company of the group. They, as the slides say, are committed to the international excellence. They are in line with all international standards, and they are providing business consulting and training for the public and private sector. Especially all of us, our company in the group, in the Middle East and Northeast and Africa. The new board is the Fratello Software. I'm not going to speak long about it because it will be already well presented before, which is the last company of the other company of the group. But this is the idea that I want to give you. I hope that I was able at least to give you an understanding of what means Fratello Holding, what the company of the group does, and which is the meaning of being a group and work together. You saw we cover, especially in the security, not only security, we work on PLC, we work on the enterprise and application development, but especially in the area of security, logical, physical security, we are we have all the competence, people and team all together, making a group, making us a group, joining our forces, really to be able to take up challenge, really of a big project like it is Sharjah Safe City or other big project like this, to take it and carry on taking care of logical security, physical security, installation, training, and development also thanks to the Fratello Software, our software house that is running the group.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Roberto. أتوقع أنه معظم الحضور عمالهم متشوق إنه يشوف إشي على أرض الواقع. يقول لك أوكي طيب يعني لهلا شو بدي يكون برزنتيشنز وشو برزنتيشن وهذا. طيب يعني شو في إشي على أرض الواقع. فالآن مع الخبيرة جوليا تتفرجينا ديمو عن Axon Next demo on their video on Axon Next in order to show the capability of the software حتى انه نكون شايفين كيف نتعامل مع كيف نستخدم هذا السوفت وير مع ريال فيديو. Sorry. Oh, sorry, بعدها طبعا الاخ روبرتو راح يعرض لنا ديمو انه فيما لو انه شخص معين في مؤسسه معينه انه اصيب بالاغماء فجاه يعني، او انه بالاعياء فجاه، خلينا نقول مش بالاغماء، انه شخص معين عندك بالمؤسسه داخ طبعا كيف انه السيستم بيقدر يلقط انه الحاله الصحيه للموظف عندك، انه هل هو بحاجه لرعايه عاجله ولا كيف؟ فهذا طبعا الديمو الثاني. فبالتالي هاي السيشن تخيل شكلها رح تكون هيك انه مش بس برزنتيشن.
Now we will be showing you the entry-level solution, which is called XNX. This is the version 3.6, which is currently available for download on our website, the free version. In next month, we will be releasing the version 4.0 with the verticalization for different types of businesses. The POS integration will be there. And also some of the features which are not available with XNX 3.6 will be available in our version 4.0. And I will show you some of the features of this software. So as you see, starting from the layout is not fixed. It's the editing of the cameras is as easy as just dragging and dropping them here to the list. So let's say you want this camera, so you just take it, drag it, and drop it. And there it is. The sizes are also very much adjustable. So just by single click, you can change the size, adjust the zoom in, zoom out in the same window, and just save it in the aspect ratio which is most suitable for your needs. Yes. Just like that. So just to show you that in the same layout you can have all the number of cameras that you need. The number of cameras that you can use in the same video wall is not fixed. And also, apart from that, you can also add the health board of the system. Yes, so immediately from the same interface, you can check the health of your cameras and the computer, as well as the event boards. So basically, as you see, it's very easy and very much comprehensive that you can have all the information about your video surveillance run in the same place. Let's say you're interested in movement in the area, and from various cameras, it will just give you all the information. And so in the hybrid form, you can see the videos and the alarms which were triggered in the same screen. So going back to the layout, as I covered in my presentation, we have implemented the maps to the layout. So the maps are right here at the bottom, so just by clicking you can add either the GIS map, as we have it here, or the static office map. So the maps are very much easily customizable. You can have it in different angles. So in the same interface you will have both the map and the video wall, which allows you to make your surveillance very much visual and comprehensive. So there is no need to upload it to a different machine. Let's say you can have it all in the same window. So here, just to show you the capabilities of our map, it can be also 2D, Like you can just have the 2D map, or you can have it in at 3D map angles. Just to show you how it operates, let's just move to the immersion mode. So what did we mean by the immersion mode? So basically it's the video tile which very accurately overlays the video. So you just see, I just scroll and I can adjust the transparency of the map. So here we have the gates, and the gates are right there on the video. So this is one of the alarms that triggered. So, and the switch in between them is very much smooth. So this is not, by the way, this is not just a demo configuration. The switch and the layout is, as you see, is very much user-friendly. It's very much, it's easy to use. It does not require any additional knowledge. So it's just, everything is done with a single click by dragging and dropping or just, so no need of, going to a specified training to learn the X and X. So also at the different angles we have placed the cameras, and we can jump to the view, dive to the view of the camera right from here. Okay. Move. Yes. So this allows you to have more visual and clear view of what's going on your facility. Also you can have the links to the different maps. Let's say you have, it's a multi-story building or a facility with several sites. You can have the links. Yeah, and from these links directly you can jump to various maps. In our enterprise solution, this feature is multi-layered, so we have the maps layered in the same screen. For the information, these icons of the maps, these icons are not static. So upon any event occurs, these icons start blinking, and which gives you the clear idea that something's going on there. You can directly click, and it will jump to the corresponding video file showing you what's been happening on the facility. So moving to support of 360-degree cameras. As I mentioned before, we in XNX we support the full 360-degree from the cameras. The dewarping is done, is offloaded from the CPU and is performed on the video card. So as you see, just to perform how it works. So basically, right from here, you can dewarp the image from the fisheye camera, and you can just view it at the angle, zoom in, zoom out. So depending on the resolution of the camera, basically with one camera you can cover a big area, which of course saves on the resources. Yes, for these cameras, the point and click is also available. Or you can have a number of, in the same interface, in the same wall, you can have a number of dewarped images. These are all the feeds from the fisheye cameras, from the fisheye, the same fisheye. As you see, these are just different, at different angles. These views were saved. Going to the, again to the map, in case the map is a more user-friendly approach to you, you can use the map, and basically right from the map you can dive into the view of the camera. So just like this, make it more transparent so that you will have the full idea of where you are placed exactly. So just like that, you can operate the software. Also, the software supports the panoramic cameras. You can have the panoramic views of the cameras dewarped, so no need to use any third-party additional software hardware to dewarp these images. If you have any questions along the way, I'm more than open to answer your questions, so feel free. One of the other features which is supported which is supported with the software, is auto-tagging. So basically it allows you, by just selecting the zone, it allows you to check all the moving objects in the area. So let's just in the same screen you can enable the auto zoom. So as long as the people start appearing in the zone of interest, it will start zooming in. Okay, here. So as long as the person appears in the zone of interest, it immediately starts zooming in the object. And just to note, at the same time, the recording is done on the full frame, so you're not losing any information. Even though for viewing purposes, it will be viewing only the zoomed objects, but for recording, it will be the full frame. Tag and track is the feature which was developed, and it will be released with our next version of the software, Axon Next 4.0. So this was a feature which was specially designed for use in jails. So what is the unique feature of this? So basically, here you have, on one side you have the fixed camera, and on the other side you have the PTZ camera. So the idea here is to predict the movement of the object of interest. So instead of having, let's say, 5 fixed cameras, you can have just 2 cameras monitoring one perimeter.